Hey guys, this is Osam Hussain and you're watching Top Pro. In this video, I'll be giving you top 3 reasons you should buy the latest upcoming HTC U12 or the Samsung Galaxy S9. Coming towards the first reason is the software. On the HTC U12, you will be having a latest Sense 10 which is quite fluid, buttery smooth and clean as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S9 TouchWiz. TouchWiz is well known for its several lags, bugs and freezing issues, while on the HTC 10 you will not be facing any such stutters and lags issues. Now coming towards the second biggest reason is the battery life. On the HTC U12 you will be having 3400 mAh battery, while on the Samsung Galaxy S9 you will be having 3000 mAh battery. It means that the HTC U12 will last longer than the Samsung Galaxy S9 on the single charge. Now coming towards the third and the final reason is the sound. On the HTC U12, you'll probably having a better sound quality than the Samsung Galaxy S9 because HTC is well known for its boom sound and has quite better sound quality as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S9. So it means that you'll be enjoying your music and other videos and games on the HTC U12 better than the Samsung Galaxy S9. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.